often when people go into meeting rooms, they have no idea how to use the technology. So in some of our previous videos at Teatrix, we have done quick reference sheets where we show the documentation that people can use and send and take home and is in the meeting room. What I wanted to show here was the content actually being in the meeting room. So instead of having to grab that piece of paper or find it, it's as soon as you turn on your display, it shows you what to do. How do I connect? How do I quickly solve a business challenge? How do I get up and running in a minute or less? So right now, by showing what the instructions are, we're going to save time and reduce what is called technology friction. It's a term that's been around for a while. It's a pain point. We all hate when technology doesn't work or isn't easy to use or isn't user-friendly and isn't solving a business challenge. We're going to show one scenario right now that we are solving a business challenge. What I'm going to do in this video right now is show you from my Microsoft Surface Book 3 how to wirelessly connect to this display based off the instructions that are right behind me right now. By pressing the Windows K as I'm talking right now, I'm selecting my device in Windows 10. Takes a few seconds, I'm up and running. With what's going on in the world right now with mental health and people working from home and all these things, if we can take one less burden off them, we're happy to do it.